What's up, guys? Will H, and today we're taking a look at the Whizzer Kylin HE01 Plus in-ear headphones. So a big shout out to the company Whizzer for sending these over for a review. I'll definitely drop the product purchase link down below. Now, these are silver in color, and some of the other features and details. These are high-res certified headphones. They have a DCL composite diaphragm drivers that are 10.2 millimeters. And 7-inch silver-plated oxygen-free copper cable that it comes with as well. They have a comfortable design and sonic purity. They feature versatile connectivity. You're going to be able to use these with your smartphone, desktop, gaming consoles, and laptops, etc. And they come with premium accessories. 7 pairs of ear tips, and they come with a vegan leather earphone case with molded cushioning. So those are some of the features and details. We'll get into some of the specs on these as we get into the video. So here's the packaging that they come in. I've already removed the plastic. You got high-res audio, VG class right there, and it has something underneath that. TLCP, diaphragm, Whizzer, Kylin Acoustics. And then here's the picture of the earbud here. Now, you do have some branding on there, and we'll look at this now because I don't know if my camera will focus that close on it, but HED1 Plus dynamic IEMs. This side here, you got some more of your specs right there. You guys may want to pause and read. I'm not an audiophile, so I don't know a lot about the specs and things on headphones, but here are some of the other specs here that you audiophiles may find important. Like I said, you guys can pause that and read it yourself. So I'm just going to be a guy that gives my opinion on what these sound like. So let's go ahead and get these out of this container here. And so far, the presentation looks great. As you guys see, Kylin Acoustics. And then when you open up this top, you're going to get Whizzer Work of Wiz. That's what you get on that right there. There are the headphones right there. Very nice looking. And these are the silver color. Let's go ahead and get this box out. Inside of here, you're going to get your accessories right there. And you're going to get some other paperwork here. So you get a card here that says Whizzer Guarantee Card. And on the back, there's some information. I can't quite make it out, but you guys may be able to right there. And you get a barcode there as well. And then you get the user's manual. Gonna let you know everything you need to know about these. Now, I don't think these have a microphone on them, so you have to be mindful of that. So we're gonna go ahead, put that over to the side. Let's take a look at what's inside of the case. Now, this is a vegan leather case, and it looks great. Very nice carrying case here to put your stuff in when you're not using it. So first off, we got the cable, which is a very nice looking cable here. You got a very nice 3.5 end here, right there, that you plug in. And that's very quality looking. So here's the cable, very nice. You do have a separator here. And here are your ends that are going to plug into your headphones right here. So very nice right there. And then you're also going to have your 7 pair of ear tips right here that comes along with this as well. Now, some of them have the black inside of them right there. I'm not sure what that's for, but I'm going to have to use the smallest ones in any case. So let's take a look at the headphones now. So here are the headphones right here. Very lightweight, I can tell you guys that. And here they are. So very nice looking. These are the silver color. As you guys see, they are transparent so you can see inside of them. There's the piece that's going to go into your ear, and this is what the cables are going to connect to. So very lightweight. They do have some branding there, and very nice looking. These are smaller than what I'm used to reviewing. So let's go ahead and plug these in. So if you look at the earbuds, headphones, there's a red dot there. And on this one here, you got a green. So that matches up with the cable over here. So you're going to have a corresponding dot on these as well. So there's a green dot right there. So that means this one goes with this one right there. So that's how they plug in. So just like that, and then you'll plug in the other one with the red dot. So if you guys see, there's a red dot there. That'll focus. And then you got your red dot right here. So that's how they go together, so you don't mess up and put them on the wrong side. So I'm gonna need these small ear tips, so let's go ahead and get the small ones out. Have small ears, guys, so this is how I'm gonna get the perfect fit. So I'm gonna dump these out. But I think I see the two small ones right here. Let's see. Let's measure these out. So yeah, these are the two small ones. These are the ones that I need. And the way I put these on, people may do them different ways. I kind of fold this back like this. And then I grab the ear tip, the earphone, just kind of slide it on just like that. And that's how I drop them on there, just like that. Very easy for me. People may do it different ways, but this is the way that I do it. And just slide this on the other one just like this. And like that. So I'm gonna come back after I use these for a little while and let you guys know what I think about these. I'm gonna grab a couple of devices and check them out. Okay guys, so we're back in. It's been about 24 hours with these, and I have to tell you, I'm very impressed with these. These are very nice. These very well may be my favorite pair of in-ear headphone monitors. I've been sent out quite a few of them over the years, and these really impressed me a lot. For one thing, the comfort and fit, they're very small. Now, I'm a person, a man that has very small ears for some reason, and I got the right ear tips on there. I got the small ones, so I got a great seal, and the fit was great, and the way these wrap around my ears, and I wear glasses, and they fit very well. So comfort and fit was really nice on these. I could wear these for extended periods of time and not have any ear fatigue. So talking about sound, these sound great. They got great bass. The bass is very punchy, and it's not overpowering, but it's great bass. Now, I'm not an audiophile. This is just coming from someone, that like to listen to music and watch movies and things like that. Just giving you my opinion. I'm not an audiophile, but the bass was real nice on these. The mids are very nice and clear. The highs could be a little bit better. I have to say the highs weren't where I needed them to be, but I guess you could use an app to, kind of EQ and bring the highs up a little bit. But overall, these have a great sound. Now, I use these with my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. And this doesn't have a 3.5 jack on it, and that's what's included on the headphones. So what you have to do when you have a device that doesn't have that, then you'll need something like this with a 3.5 to Type-C, and you just plug this into your phone. Now this particular one here has a DAC. It's by SyncWire. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to go pick that up. But I use this with my phone, in conjunction with my phone, and I listen to different genres of music on my phone, and it was great. Just like I described earlier, it had nice bass, nice punchy bass. The mids were great, and the highs were great as well. So I used it with that, and it was great. Also, I used it with my laptop. Used these with my laptop, and it was great. And what I did with the laptop, I just plugged in directly with the 3.5, and it was great sitting there, and I was watching movies. I watched a couple of movies, watched some YouTube, and listened to a little music. So, like I said, these are very comfortable, wrap around your ears very well. I wear glasses, so it wasn't an issue. And I do like how small and stylish these are as well. So overall, I would say these are great for the price. They're very comfortable, lightweight, and they look good. So I definitely recommend these. Pick these up. I'll leave the product purchase link down below if you guys want to go pick these up. Will H. I'm out.